I was just out walking the trail over here. I happened to look over and see an abandoned excavator or something like that. It's got a bucket and wheels. Let's go see what it is, huh? Oh dear. Trying to be careful here. Quiet. Hope the those aren't animal tracks. Anything living under there? I don't want to get attacked out here. It'd be just embarrassing. Wow, look at that thing. Man. Massey Ferguson. Is that number there? 37? And then over there, 37. You see it says in there, Big Bear Equipment, Inc. 104th and J Street, Omaha. Holy shit. Came here. I don't know how long it's been here, but I don't think it's gonna move. You can see in there, see a little bit. Kind of an awkward little machine. Nice engine. There's the fan and starter. Probably on the other side. I don't know if I can even get around the other side. I think they did this for me. Oh shit. Okay. You can get around the back at least. So you can see where it would attach something to it or any of the hydraulics. This thing would probably still work. I just don't know how long it's been back here. Scrap. What the hell is that? Some scrap metal up there. Got a trailer up there, I see. Caution, do not pull by hitching to axle housing or any other point except in something. This is so cool. Hey, look, you can see the key. There's a tag there. Ah, there's cat prints. These are small cats. Feral cats. There's a lot of stray ones out here. If it was a big cat, like a mountain lion, I would probably not want to be out here. You can see something there. United States. Something about Canada. You can see where you put the key in. Start. Wonder if there's any fuel in it. I wonder where the key is, actually. That's my question. Fuck. For the fuel. Here's the key. Yeah, it looks so cool. It's just creepy as hell to be out here and doing nothing. I mean, seriously. I don't know. Oh, what's that? Pipe. I can't even reach there. Man, there's a lot of scrap iron here, though. Oh, look. Somebody fixed it. Nice job. I think it works. See the end of it? Right there? Here. See that? Oh, I can't see it much, but you can. Pretty cool, huh? Probably a diesel, but I can't confirm that. There's no way of telling right now. I know people who could tell me, and I got a friend who probably has worked with these before, but you know. take it in. And I end up getting shot out here for trespassing. I should probably get out of here. It's pretty cool though. Alright. I really don't know what to do now. I'm just awkwardly standing here. I am confused. How you're supposed to stop these videos, but try this.